I'm just getting some food out while we talk, so we'll move and groove at the same time.
What are you cooking? What's in the pantry?
Well, actually, so whilst we're on lockdown, I'm trying to make the most of this fitness regime. So I'm training every day, but I'm also eating right. So I now have food delivered, only because the calories and the proteins are in the food. So today it's sweet potato, greens, and chicken. So I'm just trying to stick to a diet, so I just get everything right. But I can cook, so don't think I can't cook, because I can cook. So
I believe you. Well, while you've got us on the move, then, while you've got us on the move, and we've been taking a little look around, you may have seen recently Kim Kardashian almost broke the internet when we saw the insides of her fridge. No euphemism intended. So, can you take us to have a look inside Johnny Nelson's fridge?
Man, but I've not been shopping, otherwise I'd have done a shop. I'll never look first.
Come on, show us the fridge.
But there's nothing in there.
You just told me you're getting...
I've not really been shopping.
It's all right.
Usually that's full of like boom drinks, Mighty Malt water, a bit of Bud Light because I'm a bit weak like that. My sweet drawer there.
Show us a little. What's in the sweet drawer?
Oh, we've got blackjacks, licorice, all sorts. Chocolate. What do you want? Chocolate pretzels. And that's it. And every morning we always start off.
Oh yeah, with the little
other brands available.
Bacteria.